Hi, everyone. I'm Stella. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects all of us: weather, climate, and seasons. Let's explore how these natural forces shape our feelings, our daily lives, and even our planet. Let's begin with question 1. What is your favorite season or type of weather? Why? Maybe you love the cool breeze of autumn or the sunshine of summer. Tell us why it makes you feel good and share a memory or two. Now on to question 2. Which season or kind of weather do you dislike the most in Taiwan? Why? Is it the hot, humid summer or the endless rainy days in spring? Think about how it affects your mood or your plans. Let's move to question 3. What comes to your mind when you think of summer or any other season? Do certain colors, foods, or holidays pop into your head? Seasons often remind us of special moments in life. Here's question 4. Where is the best place to be in summer or winter? Maybe you prefer the cool mountains during hot months or a warm beach in winter. It could even be a country you dream of visiting. Now for question 5. What's your favorite thing to do in summer or winter? It could be swimming, traveling, hiking, or just relaxing indoors with friends. What do you look forward to most during the seasons? Let's talk about extreme weather in question 6. Is a typhoon always bad weather? To some, it means danger and damage, but to others, it might mean time off or cooler air. Try to think about both the pros and cons. Next is question 7. Does weather affect people's emotions or behavior? How do rainy days make you feel, or bright sunny mornings? Weather often influences how we act and how we feel. Now let's go global with question 8. What is happening around the world that shows climate change is real? Are there more wildfires, floods, or melting ice caps? What signs have you seen in the news or in real life? Here's question 9. How is climate change affecting people's lives in Taiwan? Think about stronger typhoons, longer summers, or impacts on farming. Have you noticed any changes around you? On to question 10. How is climate change affecting animals around the world? Some animals lose their homes or can't find food because of changing environments. Can you name an animal that's in danger? Let's focus on solutions in question 11. What actions should we take to fight climate change? Should we recycle more, plant trees, or reduce plastic use? Do you think these actions are enough? And finally, question 12. Global warming is part of climate change. Do you think you've done anything that might make global warming worse without knowing it? Let's reflect on how our everyday choices can make a big difference. These 12 questions will guide us through an important conversation about the world we live in. Your voice and ideas matter, so speak up and let's learn together.
加入超凡远距，成就超凡英语缩写能力。